Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Simone if you're new here. Today's video is going to be a super quick one. Just going to be showing you how to depot the HOOLA bronzers from Benefit. This can go for the blushes as well. So if you want to see how I did that, then just keep on watching. So, HOOLA. I'm going to depot my HOOLA. So for this one, I have to break the box. Once I break the box, use my spatula, slide. There we go. And I'm just gonna go and get the hairdryer, and I'm gonna put the hairdryer on here to soften this glue so I can just scrape it off, and then I'll pop that in here as well. Ta-da! Perfect. That's it. Now I just wish that I could depot my MAC one, but it doesn't have a casing like these ones do. It's not in a little tub, so I don't want to break it. Just gonna get the hairdryer and I'm gonna dry straight on top of this. And that just pops straight out. And do this one. Gonna leave this one on for a little bit longer because this one, it hit pan, it'll heat up quite quick, a lot quicker. So this one's not coming out quite as easy as the other one did. So I'm just gonna break the packaging. So this is the same way that I got the HOOLA out. And then I just heat the back up so I can get all the glue off a lot. I know that that's going to be hot, so I'm just using this. Now I should note that this one and this one, they have different types of glue, and that's why this one came out a lot easier, because it was just like 2 little dollops of glue, whereas this one was like really stuck into the cardboard there. There we go. And then that's my blush collection done. Let's see if I can use some Tetris skills to get this one bronzer in there too. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how easy it is to depot the HOOLA products. These take up so much space in my kit, so it's a lot easier to depot them down to like this size. So if you guys enjoyed that, then leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.